Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. What we have here is we remain in positive MACD, but we did see it diverge and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD and still near overbought levels with the RSI. And we have yet to test the 200 moving average, this green line, at the price of $54.48. As we extend out once more onto the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, but we did see it converge, and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As for our first immediate resistance, we may encounter it with the 50 moving average at around a price of $54.62. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $50.80, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $55.12, and my stop loss is at $49.44. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $56.56, and that is this range here. My sell target's at $52.24 and my stop loss is at $58.07. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 25% chance for it to climb between 0 to 5.4%. And further extreme case to the upside, a 25% chance to climb between 5.4% to 10.7%. As for a downside, we have a 50% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 5.4%. And thank you for watching.